powerful and enjoy to look at. And the last reason is because I respect Martha Margera. Yes.
Okay. What you wanna study at my school? What is your goal? What you are desiring to learn?
Goal. My future dream is to be a designer who can give children dreams and goals. Yes.
Okay. So when did you decide to study fashion and why?
Yes. I decided to fashion designer at 2 years ago.
Why?
Why? And I was working until 2021. It was an eventful day. I needed stimulation. I thought about doing what I love as a job. Yes.
Okay, go. Sarah, do you have any questions?
Yeah, sure. Koya, can you tell me a little bit about your work and what inspires you?
Yes. My my first project is desire is not beautiful. In my opinion, yes. In my opinion, desire is not beautiful thing. For me, Wagyu is desire itself. And beauty masks is something that makes the surface beautiful. This is the true form of two surface beautiful things. It represents desire. Yes.
Okay, thank you. And also, you mentioned in your letter that you're interested in sustainable fashion. Can you talk to us a little bit about that and your interest in it?
Interested.
Your interest in sustainable fashion.
Festival. Yes. Yes, I like all the I like all the clothes. sustainable. Yeah, I repair my old clothes. Yes, that's sustainable. See. なんだろうな。I wanna wear clothes long time. なんだろう。
We can move on if you. Okay. Also, what can you bring to our course? Like, what can you bring to the table as like a designer or a thinker to our program?
Yes. Yes, I bring a happiness and diversity because I have experience working in a different industry. Yes.
What was your experience working in the industry?
Automotive company. Yes.
And what can you take from that into your thinking and like how you can bring that to the program?
What?
Like how did working there maybe inspire your thinking or, you know, design process?
Yes, design process. All of these works are in my life. I focus on literary ends because of my past experience of gain weight. For my first project, I started by not liking fats. Next project, second project was a result of my pursuits of what I like.
Okay, cool. Koe, do you have any questions?
Questions. No.
It's okay if you don't have any. Do you have any questions or no?
No.
Okay, go.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Move on to Sayaka.
Yes.
Can you introduce yourself?
Okay. I'm Sayaka. Yes, my name is Sayaka. I graduated from high school in 2020, and I'm here to become a fashion designer, which is always my been my dream.
Good. Can you talk about the reason why you wanna come to our school?
Yes. Yes, your academy has long history. So it has accumulated a lot of research results. So yeah, I believe that there are opportunities for like broad and deep learning.
So I'm seeing your projects. Do they have any names?
I'm sorry, but not decided yet.
Okay, so is it like how many projects in this PDF file?
Yeah, there are 3 projects.
3 different projects. Okay. I mean, from your letter, you also talk about food, edible stuff. That I'm wondering, what does it mean to you between like eating and then how does it like relate, eating and fashion?
Actually, yeah, relate to fashion.
Yeah.
Actually, I always get inspiration from me. Then it's food, and then yeah, of course, I love eating, and then when food, I get into the field of art, yeah, fashion. Like I feel like as if like a daily life has become art, and which is amazing. And then yeah, and then in my 3rd project, mermaid dress project, I create a mermaid dress. Then
she went back to
vanished.
Hello.
Hello again. You're on mute.
Yeah. Yeah, welcome back.
yes.
Yeah, you we had you talking about mermaid dress project.
Yes. Yeah. Then I create a mermaid dress, and then yeah, like making edible clothes is one of my dream, and that project was so amazing for me.
So why that's one of your dreams, like to create edible dress? What does it mean? So the dress is edible, and then
yes.
Then for like what does it mean to you and then to others? Why it's your dream though?
Yes, sorry, but actually that was my dream. Just edible dress.
Just you wanna eat dress? What does it mean by that? Like what's the expression? Like what's your goal? Like you create edible dress and then is it like for what? Like what's the point? What's the concept? I kind of wanted to understand why you are so interested in edible materials as a dress. What's the connection?
I think it's a kind of sustainable idea.
Mm-hmm.
Then, yeah, actually, this project I used leftover materials. So, yeah. Maybe this idea connect to my dream. Yes.
So your dream is kind of like making some stuff as one of the sustainability ideas. That's a kind of like what you are aiming to do.
Yes.
Okay, cool. Sarah, do you have any questions?
Sure. Do you mind telling us a little bit about like what you do outside of fashion, like what your hobbies and your interests are?
Yes. Yes. Actually, I love eating. Like I enjoy eating things like that I have never eaten before. Like insect eating restaurant in Japan. It's a wonderful restaurant, and I love this restaurant. And the arrangement of the insect is beautiful, and then the atmosphere is also beautiful. And maybe eating insect is not like universal in Japan, but yeah, I thought it would be nice if it were. Yeah, because this restaurant is so amazing. Yeah.
Cool. And you also mentioned that you want to kind of like use new technologies when you continue studying. Do you mind telling us a little bit about what that means or what you're interested in?
Yes. Yeah, in my managers project, I'm interested in the like food textile, and then now, also interested in the like dyeing with food or also bioplastic technology, because I saw the bioplastic technology, bioplastic materials in your Instagram, like your academy current students of your academy. So name Miss So Hyun Park. So she create bioplastic like as accessory. Yes, it's so inspiring and it's so beautiful.
Okay, wonderful. And I guess, do you have any questions for us?
Now, okay. Now I'm okay.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Good. Great. Move on to Natsuki Sakai.
Yes.
Can you introduce yourself?
Yes. Hello, my name is Natsuki Sakai. I'm from Japan, and before I studied fashion design for 2 years. I majored in Spanish at university in Japan, but actually my dream is become a fashion designer, and I couldn't give up my dream. So I decided to change my major, and I decided to go to New York to start to study fashion design. And in New York, I learned about basic of concept making at the PR Center. And after came back to Japan, I developed my fashion portfolio with Sho Konishi at Sho Konishi Design Lab. And also I applied some fashion design contest, and I participated internship under Sho Konishi. Yes.
Cool. Great. So you mentioned the fashion contest. What did you learn from the contest?
So before, I haven't applied any fashion contest. So I just applied to contest, and I learned about like keeping motivation skills, and also through my design skills limited, break out my design skill limited. Yes.
Good. So your personal statement, you are mentioning that to be a professional designer, you need to develop some of the things, right? And kind of talk about what you think you are missing at this point, why you want to develop, why you want to improve to be a professional.
So actually, my design skills are not enough. I mean, like so when I see other fashion designers concept and collection, and I try to see my collection and their collection, it's really I thought my collection it's enough to concept and also design too. So I want to develop in graduation diploma program. Yes.
What you want to develop?
Design skill. I mean, like so in Japan, important to make real clothes. It's really clothes, but other countries, it's not looks like clothes, but clothes. So I think I don't have these skills, so I want to develop like more art clothes. Yes.
So you feel you are lack of art skill?
No, actually, just a little bit.
Okay. So okay, so that's the reason why you want to apply to our course to develop
Yes.
create.
And yes.
Okay, cool. What do you expect from our course?
So my plan for the future, I want to explore my design. I want to learn master program. So I think in graduate diploma program, I can prepare for learn master program, and also I can find to my final styles in there.
Okay, so which master program are you thinking?
Now I'm thinking to apply RCA and also Central St. Martin's MEA course and also Parsons.
Okay, cool. Sarah, do you have any questions?
Could you tell us a little bit about your work and what inspires you?
You mean like everything, or just like
a
part
summary, or like a, what is your kind of like design identity?
I see. Okay. So design identity. So actually, I focus on who I am, and also I focus on my country, which is Japan. So just through 3 collection, try to understand myself. Yes.
Okay,
So
cool.
Is it that means like your identity, who you are, is the inspiration for your work?
Kind of, because first collection, I try to focus on complex about me, and before I made this collection, first collection, I couldn't see my complex, so I tried to overcome. So I saw this me is like a try to understand myself.
Okay.
Okay, cool. Thank you for sharing. Can you also tell us a little bit about your time studying at Sho Konishi Design Lab? Like, what was your experience there? Like, what did you learn?
So I learned, also basic of making concept, and also to make visualize. I mean, like try to come out my brains visualize to the real world. Yes.